Hello, thank you for considering AP Physics 1. AP Physics 1 is a great course. It's a bit more challenging than your CAS physics, but it gets you prepared for college. I think, in my opinion, better. I teach both of them. I think AP Physics 1 does a better job at preparing you for a college level experience. These are our topics of study. The important thing to note here is that many times you're going to be designing your labs, and then you'll, of course, execute those labs. Physics is physical, so yes, you can put your hands on it. We'll be studying motion mainly, and that's something that is easy to experiment with. And so we won't have to do any theoretical work. We'll actually see it and touch it. You need to have grit and a growth mindset. So you need to realize that learning is your ability to learn, rather, is not a fixed thing, that with continual effort, you can expand your ability to learn. You need a good work ethic. You need to have pretty decent algebra skills. You don't need to be in a position to teach an algebra course, but you do need to be able to manipulate equations. And if you know trigonometry, great, you're at a good spot. But if you don't yet, we'll get you to a good spot. That's something you can learn through this course, but you do need to have some decent algebra skills. You'll have 8 unit exams throughout the year, corresponding to the units that you just saw earlier slide, that will get you prepared for that AP Physics 1 exam. My students have done well better than the national average since the AP Physics 1 program was formed, and I expect that to continue. You will have an individual short-term project afterwards, which will be more towards your own interests. So you'll be able to go in a direction of your own choosing at that point. And if you're trying to decide, hey, should I take AP Physics 1 or should I take AP Physics C? Or maybe you're even trying to decide between that and CAS. Like I said before, AP Physics 1 is algebra-based. AP Physics C is calculus-based. AP Physics 1 is more rigorous than CAS. The workload is about the same, but again, the course is more rigorous. We'll get further than in CAS. It's going to prepare you for 2 things. So if you're going into engineering, you could choose AP Physics 1 to give you a very strong foundation in all the concepts, so that when you go on to AP Physics C, mechanics or E&M, you have a good foundation that's already been laid. A lot of my students that in AP Physics C, E&M have taken AP Physics 1 with me, and they're really strong that first semester where we are covering all those same mechanics principles. And then that puts them in a good position for the second semester, where we learn about electricity and magnetism. So AP Physics 1 is more geared towards either people who are not yet comfortable with calculus or don't feel comfortable taking AP Physics C mechanics with calculus at the same time, but we still would like to get into engineering. This lays the foundation for the engineering-based physics course. You would need an AP Physics C course, though, to get college credit for an engineering type program. AP Physics 1's credit is more for non-science or non-engineering fields when you get to college, okay? So just to be crystal clear on that, the AP Physics C is what the engineering programs are looking for to give you credit for physics. But non-engineering type programs, AP Physics 1 can give you credit for college physics, okay? If you have any questions and you need to try to determine, what is best for you, you would like to talk to somebody one-on-one, please email me or just reach out to me on Teams. I'd be glad to talk with you and help you figure out what is best for you. All right, guys, thank you for listening.